Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna put I'm gonna do a real dick move and put this as the recommended video at the end of the old video, so you have to watch the old one, dislike it, comment how terrible I am, and then see the updated video. So I'm not deleting it because it's making me too much money. We're gonna replace not one but 5 key fob batteries today using the CR 2025 batteries. Lots of brands make these, they all work. Got 5 of them here. I think it was like $9, and man, and I still get messages to this day about people asking me to if I'm still giving away batteries. I'm not. I had 1 or 2 to give away, and that's it. So this is gonna be fun, but I'm gonna make you guys watch me go through all these batteries first. Open those up. Alright, so here's the Golf R battery, or key fob. With the piece here in, you really can't do anything with it. The panel, you see that little line right here. This is the back panel of it. So when you open this up, you can actually get your finger in here and just pull this back. It's super simple. Just pull that like that and it's exposed. We're going to do all these en masse. All I'm doing is just clicking and pulling. Clicking, make sure you're on the crease, not on the buttony side, and pulling. Just like that. Now for the BMW key, same exact thing. I mean, this is for a motorcycle. So keyless motorcycle key, open this up, you've got a little groove right there. Just grab this, pull that right back, and you're done. So from there, it's good to get a little tiny knife or something, a little pick. But what you can do is you can push on these and sometimes get them out, but really it's honestly just as easy just to get a little pin needle or something, or a knife with a sharp end, and just push in that little hole and yank these out. Once again, changing the world here, one battery changes at a time. And I like to do them all at once because when one starts to show a low battery, and eventually they're all going to show a low battery. It's just kind of part of the process there. Actually, the BMW does a nicer job of it because they have you push this to the side, and then it just comes right out without having to use the knife, which is kind of cool. Well, it looks like I'll still have to use the knife. I got to push this to the side, and I can use the knife to pull up like that. And then putting them in, just make sure that the positive side's facing up. And slide them all in. Now to my subscribers that are watching this video, there's like 4,000 of you now that are watching this video and are wondering what the hell this video is about. Just go look on my channel for key fob battery replacement, and you're going to be blown away by how many people have seen that video. And I started deleting comments, but you know, daily comments of like, this is terrible. You push this in here and then just close it right up, and then close the key up. You know, lots of like, you know, kill yourself comments for that video, and rightfully so. I mean, my hand was over the thing whenever I hit the button, but come on guys, I mean, it's not that hard to do this. I hope it was helpful to someone. That's it. Thanks for watching, and hope this was good for you guys. And yeah, enjoy. Actually, you know what? We'll do it one more time. Push this button and pull out. Stick a knife in here. Boom. Just like that. So, like, comment, and unsubscribe. And you gotta do this every 2 years, roughly. Is about the time you need to, that you'll start getting the battery messages. Rock on, dudes.